Do you want to know who is behind all this crypto Armageddon in the US? I'm going to get into that. I have proof of this, by the way. And also, I have some very bullish news as well. So it's not all doom and gloom. I've actually have some really promising things that are going on in the crypto space that a lot of people are bypassing right now and just kind of forgetting. So, but first, please like and subscribe. Check us down below for our CT Club, where you get our trade alerts, portfolio updates. We've been doing a ton of updates and buying coins during these dips. And I think they're going to do really well during the next bull market. So here we go. The truth about Gary Gensler. Here's 3 facts that you need to know, okay? That would probably tell you pretty much everything you need to know. In 1979, he joined Goldman Sachs and served for 18 years. Okay, keep in mind, Goldman Sachs, Vampire Squid, Fed Reserve, yeah. At 30, he was one of Goldman's youngest partners. He then moved to Tokyo, and he was dealing with Goldman's fixed income and currency trading. So yeah, he was Helms at Goldman Sachs. So yeah, we all know who Goldman Sachs is. The Fed Reserve and Goldman Sachs are pretty much one and the same. They're all one giant club, and you ain't in it. So this is why the SEC says, or Gensler says, crypto is all hucksters, fraudsters, and scam artists. Apparently he didn't read that book, The Creature from Jekyll Island, which talks about the creation of the Fed Reserve and how esoteric and how secretive it was when they were passing the Federal Reserve Bill back in 1912, and it finally passed in 1913. So yeah, this guy is a sellout central bank scamster. That's what he is. And Jim Cramer, which is good news, he says that most cryptocurrencies are scams. Whew. I mean, good thing this guy has a 90% track record of being wrong. But I agree a little bit. Yeah, there's a lot of scams out there, but we are getting into some very good coins right now that I think will last through the bull market. Okay, so Bitcoin is leaving the United States. This is from Ki Young Ju, okay? And this is what he says. And he shows this chart. I want you to look at this chart and look at the outflow of Bitcoin and essentially leaving the United States because of all the crap that people are having to deal with. Here you go. So now, yeah, that's pretty bad news for the US. I mean, a lot of people crack down on me and Heidi because they think we're just anti-US, blah, blah, blah. We're just telling you the truth. It's not popular. It's really not popular. Like, we lose a lot of subscribers because of this. But you know what? Like Heidi said in her Twitter post today, she'd rather tell the truth than be popular. So the former SEC chief warns, get out of crypto platforms now. Yeah, so it's looking pretty bad, but I have some good news here, all right? If you made it this far, you have some good news. This is the last part. So Tyson the Second on Twitter says, and I 100% agree with this, the batch of 2018 had no Michael Saylor red pilling the elite. Tesla held no Bitcoin. El Salvador barely heard of crypto. Now we have a president buying and posting what he's doing on his phone. Hong Kong inviting Coinbase for its HQ, biggest company holding Bitcoin on its balance sheet. And you think there's no cycle? Grow a pair or fade into irrelevance. And that is true. Like, a lot of people, this is going to be the least popular bull market in my opinion. There's not going to be very many people that are going to be buying this dip or even accumulating right now. They're all sitting on the sidelines. And my stance is what I've been telling our CT Club members is that, all these people are sitting on the sidelines waiting to buy the dip. They think that they're going to have about 6 months of accumulation. I don't think Bitcoin works that way, guys. Like, I think Bitcoin is going to surprise a lot of people. We do see a lot of Bitcoin being taken off the market into self-custody, and more addresses are holding one or more Bitcoin than any other time in the history of this space. And more companies are going to put it on their balance sheet, and countries as well are going to have it legal tender. What do you think is going to happen, guys? Like, I'm not risking sitting on the sidelines for this. We do have some cash, as you know, if you're a CT Club member, but as far as for the most part, we're in this market. We have skin in the game, and that is why, you know, we have done really well since when we bought them back when FTX collapsed. So we were buying heavily then. So yeah, we did pretty good on that. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, that's all I have today. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.